Say goodbye to lost logins. Passwordless WordPress in 60 seconds. Step 1. Install the OnzAuth plugin. Begin by searching for OnzAuth in your plugin directory. Once located, proceed to install the plugin and then activate it to enable its functionality. Step 2. Configure OnzAuth settings. Enter the client ID you obtained from OnzAuth. Specify the redirect URL. This is where users will be sent after a successful login. Choose the appropriate user role for those logging in. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Final step, test the login flow. Log out of your account and access the new login screen to confirm that it's functioning correctly. Ensure that users are being redirected to the intended URL after authentication. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.